Welcome everyone, I am Dr. Shambhu Yadav, a neuroscientist and a stress biologist at Harvard. And today we are going to talk about that could really change the way you think about exercise and your brain. I am talking about boosting your memory and creativity through exercise. You already know that the exercise is great for your body, but you must also know that the exercise is supercharged for your brain. So the getting body move before you sit down to study or work on project might be one of the best way to boost your memory and creativity. Not just right after exercise, but even month down the line. So let's dive in. Exercise isn't just something we do to stay in shape. It's also a tool to help us learn better. A study has shown that the exercise actually has a massive impact on memory, both in the short term and the long term memory. You could remember things more easily just by taking a quick walk, stretching your body, or even getting your heart rate up a little bit before you dive into the learning your material. And that's the power of exercise on your brain. And that benefit of exercise is not just immediate. You might feel great, right? And the benefit of exercise are not immediate only. You might feel great right after workout, but even month later, you could see lasting effect. A single workout can actually help your brain grow new connection and strengthen the one you already have. That is called the neuroplasticity. So how does this all work? Well, when you exercise, your body releases a bunch of hormones and chemicals that get your brain firing on all cylinders. Blood flow increases, bring more oxygen and nutrients to your brain, which means your brain is working at higher level. And this helps you learn and store new information better. Plus, exercise helps keep your brain structure strong, making it easier to form the new memory. So the next time you have something important to learn, whether it's for new idea for work, a new language, or a big project, then try to fitting in some exercise beforehand. A simple walk, some light jogging or stretching, or even a short yoga session can set you up for better retention of whatever you are working on, whatever you are learning or doing a study. And it does not have to be an intense workout either. Just moving your body a little before you get into your learning, and that have a huge impact on your brain. So now let's explore how exercise and the learning are connected and why making movement regular part of your routine is so important. Not only will it keep your body healthy, but it will make your brain more resilient and ready to absorb everything you throw on it. So stick with me and I will share some fascinating insight into how you can all use exercise to become better learner and more creative thinker. The recent study have uncovered something pretty fascinating. Exercise does not just benefit your body, it actually boosts your brain too. One study asked older people to perform the memory task, and those who had exercised the day before performed significantly better in remember things. And the more they exercised, the better their memory was. And this isn't just a quick boost either. The benefit lasts beyond immediate moment. So why does this happen? Exercise is kind of like a wake-up call for both your body and brain. When you move, your body releases flood of chemicals and hormones like endorphins dopamine, adrenaline, which sharpen your focus and help you stay alert. And exercise also increases blood flow in your brain, which means more oxygen nutrients are being delivered to your brain, better your brain will perform. And that's why you often feel more mentally clear and energized after workout. But the benefit of exercise does not just disappear after the workout is over. They keep working their magic over time. Regular exercise helps improve memory through a process called synaptic plasticity, or also called the neuroplasticity, which is a fancy way of saying that your brain is connected, get stronger and more efficient. So the more you exercise, the better your brain gets at storing and retrieving information. And the exercise also improves the tiny blood vessel that nourish your brain, which is present in your microvasculature in your head. So the better these blood vessels work, the more nutrient they oxygen deliver in your brain, which help cognitive function, which helps with the cognitive function like memory. And here is something else you might love. Exercise helps protect your brain from the aging. People who stay active are better at maintaining their memory and cognitive ability as they get older. It's not just about the immediate effect of exercise, it's also about the creating lasting changes that improve memory and brain function over time. So the next time you are about to learn something new, consider squeezing in the bit of exercise first. It's good for your body, but it's also great for your memory. So let's talk about something even more exciting. Exercise can also help you boost creativity. Exercise unlocks the creative spark in your brain. So when you exercise, your brain gets a rush of oxygen in rich blood, which help improve focus and overall cognitive function. And over time, regular exercise can reshape how your brain works, especially when it comes to the creativity. The research has shown that the physical activity activates area of the brain linked to creative thinking. These areas help us make connection between the idea, solve problem, and think out of the box. And whether you are the brainstorming at work, coming up with a new idea, or working through a creative block, exercise can help you get there. And you don't have to do high intense workout. As I mentioned earlier, even simple, a light walk can make a difference. So exercise gets your blood flowing lets your brain think more freely. And after workout or the walk or run, you might find that solutions to the problem or new idea seems to pop up in your brain. And that is very easily for you. Ever had an idea come to you during a jog or after workout? That's not a coincidence. Many people say some of their best ideas come when they are moving around. The rhythm of exercise, whether it's the walking, cycling, or yoga, help your mind break away from the rigid thinking pattern and let it wander, leading to those creative insights. And the exercise also make you think more clearly. After a workout, the mental clarity comes easily, making it easier to make decisions, approach problems, and see things from a fresh perspective. The many entrepreneurs, writers, artists, and even scientists use physical activity as a way to boost their creative output. Some people even work through tough problems during the exercise, and by the time they are done, they have figured out solutions that were stuck before. So the next time you are stuck in the creative route, try stepping away from your desk and getting moving. It does not have to be a long workout, just something that gets you move for the short while. You might be amazed at how much more creative you feel afterward. But not all exercise are the same when it comes to boosting memory and creative though. The key is variety. Different types of exercise target different aspects of brain function. So it's important to mix it up. The short bursts of the moment can have a big impact on your cognitive performance. Moderate exercise like jogging, swimming or cycling are great for getting your heart rate up without overdoing it. And they increase blood flow to your brain, which is crucial for memory and the cognitive function. And these exercises are the sustainable and easy to fit into your daily routine. No special equipment needed. On the other hand, high intensity exercise like the sprinting or weightlifting push your body hard and trigger a rush of adrenaline and the growth hormone. And these exercises sharpen focus and improve your brain ability to form new connection, and that is the process called the neurogenesis. So when you do something intense training, you might feel your brain firing all the cylinder afterward. And that's because this workout improves the blood flow and oxygen delivered to your brain. But don't forget about recovery. While intense exercise are great for your brain, balancing them with the moderate or low intensity activity is the key to avoiding burnout. So the complementing intense workout with some gentle yoga or stretching can help calm your body and mind. A light walk or swim can also help your body process the intensity of hard workout. So it's great to get some physical activity in before you tackle the mental task. Whether you are studying, working on the project or trying to remember something important, exercising beforehand can prime your brain to better performance. And even exercise the day before has benefits. If you can't fit a workout in right before, don't worry. Just knowing you have exercised the day before will help your focus and memory retention. And the consistency is the main things, like just stay active every day will bring lasting cognitive benefit. Whether it's a long walk in the morning or the 15-minute intense workout, it's the regularity that makes a difference. And the more consistent you are, the better your brain will perform. So think of exercise as stay fit and tools to keep your mind sharp. So exercise as a memory booster and unlocking creativity. Make it a part of your routine and watch how your mind sharpens in a way you never thought possible. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, share it with someone you think could benefit. Take care and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.